channel, and I'm happy to see you. Actually, we are going to talk about Unifi Protect. Unifi Protect. It's a product from Ubiquiti, and it's actually an IP camera. Okay, those about the whole product, and this is how it looks like when it's in use. Okay, so let me just take out the device and then show you how it looks like. Great. So this is the product. This is the IP camera. This is it. You know, its setup is not like the usual IP cameras we do install. It's not just like that. You know, it comes with its own proprietary software that you use to actually configure and then install it. Okay, so I want to show you exactly how the device looks like. So if you look further here, I can take it off, but if you look inside, it has the network Ethernet port, right? Okay, so that is it. Let me get it locked back. Okay, if we come here, this part is supposed to be a place where you can insert your SD card. Oh, I wish I could get an object to remove this. Then. Okay, great. All right, so this is how it looks like, and it can be powered on using a USB adapter. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and it can actually pick your voice. So we'll go through all these configurations and show you exactly how this device works. Okay, so this is an adjustable you know, something they did here to shield it from excessive sunlight and, you know, exposure to the weather. Alright, so this is how it looks like, and these are some manual that comes with it. Okay, these are just some few manuals. It comes with this, and you know, it talks about details of how to do the installation. So if you watch it carefully, it talks details about how to go about the whole installation, the whole setup, the applications you can use to set this device up, and the ways to go about it. So this is just the manual. Okay, so let me quickly set up this device, and then we can go on and then try and configure it. So let me take off this. Sorry. Okay, all right, so this is how the device looks like, single-handedly. This is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to power my device on. All right, so it's powered on, right? It's powered on. Okay, all right, so in a few moments I'll get into the device, into this device, configure it, and then start the installation, start the configuration for everybody to see how exactly it works like. Alright, so please have patience, sit back and then watch me configure this device. You can stop it. So at this moment we'll go deep and detail into the Unifi protector and how it actually works. Okay, so I'm going to log in into the IP camera, and then you can see exactly how it looks like. Okay, so this is the IP address of the IPcamera. This is it, 253.192.168.88.253. Okay, so I'm going to log in into this Unifi Protect camera and then show you exactly how it works. So the default username is ubiquiti, the default password is ubiquiti. Okay, actually the issue is you know, most IP cameras often works with their network video recorders, okay, but you know, in IP cameras there is this option that makes you you know, it enables you to be able to individually log in into various IP cameras, and this is an example of what I want to do actually, because I don't have the NVR here, and so okay, good. So I have my camera working now. I have my Unifi Protect camera working currently. I can go on and then, you know, configure a Unifi video server for it if that has been done over a server. Okay, it has, okay, so it says and disable microphone. So this is it. If I want to disable the microphone and I don't want it to work, this is what I can do. Okay, but I want the mic to work for folks to know exactly or understand exactly what I'm trying to talk about. So here you can further give it a unique name, like you can change the administrator username and password and then give it a customized password. You can change the NTP server from here and then the time zone. Okay, in case you want to upgrade the firmware and you've downloaded the firmware already, you can simply upload the firmware from here and then you can upgrade it. Let me see. So it's enabled, so let me just save it. Alright, so I've saved the changes here. Okay, you know, it's so unfortunate that it's kind of limited at this particular interface. Okay, else it would be able to kind of take my voice as I speak currently if we should start recording. If it was working in a Unifi, I mean, if it was working in a Unifi network video recorder, I'm sure we could have had a lot of options. Okay, but this is the basic interface and this is how it basically looks like to set it up. Okay, it's a very nice product and I will advise you to get it at your homes, your offices, your farms, anywhere you think you need a security or a third eye. I think this is a product that I'll recommend for you folks. Thank you very much for watching this video. In case you are interested in buying this device, you are interested in buying this device and its NVR, you can always purchase it, or you can log in and get details from www.ecubghana.com. okay, or you can likewise send an email to sales@ecubghana.com. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet again.